Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So first is to open your Instagram account and make sure that it is updated. So from there, go ahead and look for your profile page. So let's tap on Instagram. Then just refresh your page. So I'm going to refresh my page in here. And then all you have to do is to search for that specific account that you wish to. But since I have another account here, I'll try to block my other account from my main account. So this is my another account. I'm going to try to block this. So as you can see, there's still a picture and I'm going to block that one. And I'll go back to my main profile. So in here, I'm going to search that name again on my search bar. So this is the only way for you to check if that person blocked you on Instagram. If you are suspecting or you're suspicious that this person might block you, so just search their username, and if it will be like this, you can see their post and you can find this message, user not found. There are two things that means probably they deleted their account or they have blocked you. But usually, if this is what happens, user not found, and you cannot see any picture on their profile page anymore, it simply means that that person really blocked you on Instagram. You can also make another account or ask your friend's account to check whether they have blocked you or not. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.